Imagine a world where robots have taken over every job. As you rub your eyes open, you find your employment status is obsolete. That sudden realization grips your heart with fear. But is this a real possibility? A scenario where artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, has progressed to such a magnitude that it's controlling everything. Intriguing, isn't it? Robots and algorithms relentlessly operating, accomplishing tasks that were once only for humans. This prospect is both enthralling and terrifying. Terrifying, you wonder? As AI advances each day, a palpable fear engulfs the global workforce. The fear of job reduction due to AI-driven automation. The terror of discovering your means of income has been seized by a machine. IBM's forecast of approximately 85 million jobs globally at risk of becoming outdated due to automation by 2025 may intensify this fear. Industries like production, customer service, transport, and data entry are already experiencing AI's impact. But can AI really supplant all jobs? Can machines truly seize every task that we perform? Visualize a world where robots rule every sector, every industry. Can you envision residing in such a world? Let's hold on for a second and reflect. All jobs replaced by AI, a world without a human workforce. It's a disconcerting thought, isn't it? It's as if it's a scene from a dystopian science fiction movie, but is it indeed our destiny, or is there an untold chapter in this narrative? Well, it's 2024 and we're not out of jobs yet. Why is that? In recent years, AI has transformed entire industries, advancing routine tasks and enhancing business functions. From manufacturing lines to customer service, AI has streamlined operations. It has automated data entry, once a manual and tiresome task, freeing time for more value-added activities. This AI revolution has its challenges, bringing shifts in the labor market. Sectors dependent on routine tasks face job displacement, causing socio-economic concerns. Income disparity could possibly widen, as low-skilled job workers lose out while those skilled in data analysis, machine learning, and algorithm design benefit. But it's not all negative. Automation of routine tasks opens doors for new roles and augments existing ones. The job market is evolving skills that highlight critical thinking, creativity, problem-solving, adaptability, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making. However, there are jobs that AI can't replace. Wondering which ones? Stay tuned. Before we dive into those jobs, remember to like and subscribe to our Tech Bytes channel. Your support aids our efforts in delivering the latest tech trends. By subscribing, you're supporting us and staying updated in the tech world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay on top of evolving technology. Now back to our topic. The jobs that AI can't replace. So, what are these jobs that AI can't touch? Let's delve into this topic. We exist in a world where automated systems command many tasks, but some jobs remain purely human. These jobs call for skills like critical thinking, imagination, problem-solving, resilience, emotional understanding, and intricate decision-making. The first job on our list is counseling and therapy. Empathy and emotional perception are key to these professions, and machines lack such abilities. Following that, we have social work. This field relies heavily on human interaction, an element that cannot be replaced by AI. Next, we have the spheres music and performing arts. These jobs demand artistic interpretation, a trait that can't be automated. In the realm of data analysis and scientific research, machines can analyze vast arrays of numbers, but they can't substitute the human faculty to interpret outcomes, infer, and form new theories. Then we take a look at the legal profession. AI can aid in simplifying certain processes but can't substitute lawyers who need to grasp the intricacies of the law and exercise critical thinking. Continuing, we have management and human resources, where understanding and managing human emotions, motivations, and behaviors is crucial, something AI is yet master. There are also jobs that need a high degree of domain knowledge, intuition, and ethical awareness. Doctors, teachers, architects, and journalists, for instance, are such professions that are safe from AI. So, for creative thinkers, problem solvers, or those with high emotional intelligence, there's good news. The AI revolution may transform the job market, but it can't replace the distinctly human skills you possess. And there you have it, the top jobs that AI can't replace. So if you're in one of these fields, you can breathe a sigh of relief. Let's delve deeper into jobs that require a high level of domain knowledge, intuition, and ethical considerations. First, we have medical practitioners. They play an essential role in society, making life-saving decisions daily. Their expertise, gathered from rigorous studies and uncountable hours of practice, is irreplaceable. AI is beneficial in diagnosing diseases and analyzing patient data, But the human element of a doctor's judgment is irreplaceable. Teachers form the next category. Their role in shaping young minds is invaluable. They cater to the unique educational needs of each student. This task requires an understanding of human behavior and learning patterns. AI can aid in grading papers or customizing lesson plans, but the empathy and adaptability that a teacher brings to the table cannot be replicated by AI. Let's move on to architects. These innovative minds are responsible for the creation of structures that are functional and aesthetically pleasing. Their job blends the technicalities of engineering with the finesse of design. AI can be useful in creating blueprints and optimizing structural integrity. Still, the vision and artistic flair of an architect remain indispensable. Lastly, we have journalists. They are tasked with discovering, interpreting, and relaying news, which requires not only factual accuracy, but also human intuition and ethical judgment. AI can analyze data or detect patterns, but it cannot replace a journalist's storytelling ability or uphold journalistic ethics. In summary, while AI can assist in various tasks, it is incapable of replacing the human touch required in these professions. The blend of domain knowledge, intuition, and ethical considerations that these jobs require make them irreplaceable by AI. If you're in these fields, take comfort in knowing that your job is safe. In our next scene, we'll wrap up our discussion on AI and the future of jobs. Stay tuned. It's clear that while AI is powerful, it can't replace the human touch. As we journey into the realm of technological advancements, we've gotten a closer look at the myriad of professions that heavily depend on human skills. From the calming presence of counselors who guide numerous individuals in navigating their personal struggles, to the brilliant minds exerting their scientific prowess in research, we see the irreplaceable human element everywhere. Consider the legal profession, where the expertise of lawyers is not just about knowing the law. They need to understand their clients, analyze their cases with a keen sense of judgment, and then present their arguments with persuasive eloquence. These are skills that AI in its current state can't replicate. Then there are the performing arts, a field that thrives on the raw emotional connection between the performer and the audience. The ability to stir emotions, to make people laugh, cry, or contemplate through an artistic performance is one of the quintessential human abilities. All these professions and countless others require that unique blend of empathy, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and creativity that only we, as humans, possess. This isn't merely about having knowledge, it's about understanding its application in various contextual scenarios, about thinking critically to solve problems, about empathizing with others to make a difference. These skills make us unique and valuable. They make us irreplaceable in an increasingly automated world. The future belongs to those who can master these skills, those who can turn their human abilities into assets. So, let's cherish our capacity for deep understanding, our knack for creative problem solving, our instinctive empathy. Let's invest time in nurturing these skills, in developing our own unique human advantage. Remember, in a world of AI, being human is your greatest asset. Until next time, this is Tech Bytes, signing off.